Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to build a Lego fridge magnet but Lego Empire State Building version. Yeah, and we have here our magnets. So I'm gonna show you how to do this. We need this Lego bricks. Okay, here is our bricks for building it. So let's start with these bricks. We need this one for like this, and these two ones are back on here. Okay, so we have these bricks for here, and then we use these bricks for upside here like that, and these ones on here, this one's on here too, and this we will use this like that for above. It looks like that. We have these ones. It's very easy to putting them. Then I use them. Like that. And for this upside, look at our building, and we have these bricks for here. I will put this, and we have this. So for it looks like that. So for not upload like 2 days videos, but I'm super busy, so I can upload videos. So sorry about that. And so I'm going to locking system. I use these flowers for them. And here is our magnet. These are 2 flowers, and we will put it on here like that. I'm super busy that I want to so I want to build your favorite building, so I decided to do this Empire State building. And thank you for your all supports, guys. You're amazing. Locking system is kind of good, I think. And we will put magnet on here like that. Yeah, so we have to put these last 2 flowers on here for lock this magnet. So let's try this on the fridge. We will go. Here's our fridge, and I want to first put this magnet on here because it is very hard to taking with one hand and putting on here like that. Oh my god, it is really hard because I have the camera on my hair and I stopped the video and checked this. Okay, so I put this on here because I have a camera on my hand, so I'm really making hard things. It looks like that. We have locking system and it is very good. Our Empire State Building is like that. If you liked the video, please leave a like, comment and subscribe my channel for support. I love you guys. Goodbye.